My name is Chaitanya Patke and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see if the IPL, which has been unfortunately postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic, could have been successfully staged in a central bio bubble as did the Indian Super League just months before. So, there have been reports that the Football Sports Development Limited (FSDL), which is a part of the Reliance Industries, FSDL runs the Indian Super League in collaboration with the All India Football Federation, as the football fans would know, offered BCCI its services to conduct accordingly the blueprint which was followed by the ISL, and BCCI, according to the sources, politely just rejected the request. And in hindsight now, it is now people are thinking, and within the board as well, the BCCI officials are thinking that if they could have just accepted that proposal, maybe the league could have been finished in the appropriate time, and the losses and all the logistical nightmares which have now to be endured by the BCCI could have been avoided in the longer run. But as I said earlier, it is hindsight and nobody can predict. So it is very wrong, and it is also very impolite to blame the BCCI for the current situation. They did their job and just got out the players safely. And as I said in my earlier videos, that the players' safeties and lives are of paramount importance. Everything else is secondary. Cricket can be done anything. But first of all, we will look at the pattern that the ISL followed, and then could the BCCI have done the same? So the ISL is played within, I think, 114 days span, almost 4 months, and the bubble or the preparations which started, that includes all the training, all the facilities, all the pre-match exercises, pre-season training camps, conditioning camps, etc. of all the 11 teams which are involved in the ISL. So in with that taking into account, the first match, it was 81 days before, so total 195 days bubble was there, strict bubble was there. And if we just take into account the total matches, 114-day bubble was there. So a great arrangement by the All India Football Federation. And after the conclusion of the league, Mrs. Neeta Ambani also said that the completion of ISL has given hope and joy to many people across India. And Mr. Saurav Ganguly, ironically, the current BCCI president, also held ISL efforts to hold the leagues amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, and just praised them and said such pattern could be followed in different sports, and it was a landmark first for the Indian sports industries, because the ISL is the biggest league in the country and football league in the country. And with that magnitude, I repeated once again, 195 days bubble without a single player testing positive. So it was a great start, and Mr. Ganguly praised it. But when the officials who just secured or conducted that bubble approached the BCCI for the same, BCCI, as I said, politely rejected that request. And I think it is not right to say that they are facing the consequences right now, but in hindsight, nobody could have predicted the damage and carnage that a COVID-19 wave is going to cause, because BCCI just decided to conduct the IPL in 6 cities. And although the bubble itself was secure, the traveling made it very difficult, and between cities, 6 cities. So that's where, in all probability, the virus could have penetrated the bubble. So if they would have followed the central bubble strategy implemented by the ISL, ISL had three options at the start: Kerala, Kolkata, and Goa. But due to the impending elections in West Bengal and Kerala, it had decided that the whole league should be conducted in Goa as well, and it paid rich dividends. Because, as you know, the cases are on the rise in West Bengal and Kerala as well due to the elections and all the rallies that took. But that is a different matter altogether. So the BCCI could have just conducted the league in Chennai or Mumbai as well, the remaining legs, but nobody, it is not right to blame them, as nobody could have envisioned the carnage COVID-19 pandemic has caused. When the league was cancelled, almost 4 lakh infections and 4,000 deaths daily average India was I think was there. So harsh to blame the BCCI, but in hindsight this could have been one of the solution. For example, just book one hotel, quarantine all the 8 teams, make the necessary arrangement and play at only one venue, that is the central bubble, and that could have been it. The league could have been completed by March 30. The final of IPL was scheduled on March 30, as many of you know. So it is what it is. We cannot blame anyone, but this could have been one of the options. So please tell in the comment section below how did you like my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. We will meet in the Marathi analysis of the same topic in the next video. Till then, everybody stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.